That's freaking big and deep. That's no joke.
Show them what we're going through.
And we're going to be going through that, guys. That right there. That's at least 12 feet deep. You will not believe this thing. And we got our expert driver over here.
Okay, it's like 4 feet deep, not 12 feet.
Still, that's pretty deep.
Yeah, it is.
Good thing we got a snorkel on this bad boy for it. There we go. Let's see. There goes the crack. Obviously, we're rolling through this.
No problem.
No problem. Easy. Let go.
Well, four-wheel drive works, boys.
It does. Nice. There's the monstrous 12 inches deep ruts that we just made. Here we go. We're going through this big splash puddle.
I'm sure we can make it in here in second. It's in two-wheel drive is what I mean.
Oh, in two-wheel drive, yeah, man. Yep.
I'm serious.
No.
Yeah. Early, I'm not even giving it gas.
Till now. Sky. The sky's all we see. Again. Except this time, two-wheel drive. There's the monstrous 12 inchers.
We're fine two-wheel.
Gotta get the camera back in. Speed, Christian, speed. Now we're going 4-lock. Sitting sideways on this hill. Gotta get some momentum rolling. If it wasn't raining to start, I'd be outside watching it. Keep going, just keep crawling.
It's hard when you're stopped on a hill and you have to go up.
Can't keep it still. There.
Ho-ho.
No. Dude, it's a truck. They were messing around. Just like we were.
I don't know how deep these ruts are, so I don't want to...
No, that's not deep.
Alright.
Yeah. Go do something.
This is how you drift, Jared.
That gas pedal. You're just like gas brake, gas brake. Could you if you wanted it? You just kept it half throttle, right?
Yeah, that was tapping the gas. That wasn't half throttle. If it was half throttle, we wouldn't be doing it anywhere because it's just spinning.